Appreciate it, man. Wait a minute. Oh, you getting two?
Yeah.
Already, man. Make sure it fit, cause them fitted hats. Oh yeah, that's hell yeah. You got the right size head for it. Perfect, man. Damn, I'm glad. I've been looking for somebody with a big ass head, man, for a 7.5. I've been trying to. Hey, I thought you was getting two.
I only gave you 20 for it.
Oh, okay, bet. I was miscounting.
Yeah, thanks, man.
Already, I appreciate y'all subscribing, following me, and looking out for one time for the one time. I done got hot and sweaty out here, y'all. Damn. Oh, we should have wrapped it. Ooh, it look like left lane.
Left lane, yeah.
Woo!
G-bro?
Hell no. I've been screaming. I ain't ready. Damn.
Look out. You put in work.
Yeah, I put in a little work, man.
Work on the track meet thing, huh?
Yeah. They thought, look out. He said he followed me. Yeah, they thought they had something soft. Oh, look out, he's drunk. He's been drinking tonight. Yeah, all right. I'm getting that money, too.
They thought you had 1 too many.
Yeah. They thought wrong. I had went up there and got paid, y'all. Damn.
Gotta put some pants on next time, bro.
You should have sang that.
Damn.
Yeah, that's right, though. First time on the bike, huh? I almost tried to come in, though. Hey, let's run out of road.
Hey, come on, start the clock. The other bike ain't here yet. Start the clock.
Wait a minute. Oh, what's up with it, man? Yeah. Yeah, I need some water. Bulldog. Look out. Hey. Dang. I feel that shit kicking in now.
One time for the one time.
One time for the one time. What's up with it, man? Man. Yeah, they done took my last little energy, y'all. What's up with it, miss? You having a good day today? Man. You been betting on any of the races? Just this one. You on my YouTube channel, right? Look Out Racing, you ain't heard of that? Okay, look out. I'm on TikTok too. They all on here talking about you cute and everything. They on TikTok watching you, girl. Here, let me go and get you. Oh, I done left. Wait a minute, I'll be back. Can't even get you my card, miss. I'll be back. I done left all my damn cards.
All right.
Hell no, Bone Hamilton. That's what I forgot. He said, did you get your stuff off the ground? Hell no.
Hey, that stuff is soft.
Damn, he came up here and won. And he goosed the gas.
A child, bro.
Man, Get my cards.
What's the age of consent on a Whopper?
12.
12? Oh, he's good.
What do they say? You come to the gun and see.
Man, I'm trying to figure this out. I got 5,000 cards.
Small block or big block?
That's a small block. Look out, miss. Here you go right here. Yeah, she on there now, y'all. I know he on there. That's my boy.
You know it. I be out of town. I gotta go watch your shit.
Yeah, he always be on there, y'all.
If we ain't no lookout when we're out of town, we ain't watching nothing.
Damn.
It's gotta be lookout or nothing.
Damn. That's a good feeling. That's a good feeling.
Hey, it's the only race channel.
It's the only race channel. Huh?
It's the only race channel where the promoter on there talking shit like we do.
Yeah.
Everybody trying to be proper on it, you know what
Oh yeah, they be.
Oh, don't freaking say a cuss word. We have our children here watching. This is supposed to be a professional.
I said, man, y'all want to watch that? Go watch 1320, man. They ain't cussing on there. We cussing over here.
Goddamn right.
We cussing. This shit rated off.
And they said that shit'll beat your Malibu.
Hell nah, I whooped the shit out of one of them.
Hey, how much
I think I want to.
that Malibu?
How
want a
far
rematch?
y'all running right there though? When y'all
To the
run,
60
when
foot?
60? God damn me, I want to run you.
60 foot.
You give him the hit?
It's just a
I
little
can't
bit
get in the head. My head
Give him the
starting.
hit, bro. Fuck that
Nah,
hit.
I'm taking my wins home.
I know you.
Yeah.
You scared
That
of
Buchanan's.
125?
That Buchanan's done kicked in.
You scared of that 125?
Yeah, I'm scared of that one. That's like a 125 shot. Look out, you on my YouTube channel? It's called Look Out Racing. You can tell your uncle. You don't tell your uncle about racing? It's all right, miss. It's just a YouTube. You don't watch YouTube? He on there. He on there. Let him give it to you. So you can tell your uncle, miss. Eso, dile tu tío and abuelito. Okay, gracias. She was scared to tell her uncle them, y'all.